Yeah. Hey, Did you know parrots can learn hundreds of words to say? They mimic our voices in their own bright way. Each sound they copy comes from play, repeating the tones they hear each day. They use their tongues with muscle and air to shape each word with perfect care. They don't just echo, they understand, linking phrases to food or hand. Their colors glow like tropical skies, greens and reds where daylight lies. Feathers shimmer, eyes so keen, a rainbow mind in jungle green. They live in flocks that talk all day, sharing calls in their own array. They bond for life and build their nests, taking turns in guarding quests. They dance to rhythm, tap their feet. They love the sound of a human beat. Intelligence hidden in every hue, a voice of nature speaking through. When the sun sets low, when the trees turn gold, the parrots whisper stories old. The forest hums with gentle words, a choir of